Step-by-step fix, all platforms. 1. Restart Minecraft and your device. Completely close the game. Restart your device, PC, Xbox, PS5, mobile. Relaunch Minecraft and check the marketplace. 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection. Avoid mobile data if possible. Use a wired connection or strong Wi-Fi signal. Try switching DNS to Google, primary 8.88.8, secondary 8.84.4. Hash 3. Clear Minecraft cache per device. PC, Windows 10 11. 1. Close Minecraft. 2. Press Win-R, type send local app data at packersoft.minecraft UWP8v3d8bb local cache. 3. Delete everything in the folder. 4. Restart Minecraft. Hash and Android, iOS, go to App Settings, Minecraft, clear cache data. iOS may require reinstalling. Xbox, 1. Go to Settings, System, Storage. 2. Choose Clear Local Save Games. Don't worry, cloud saves are safe. 3. Power cycle. Hold Xbox button 10 seconds to shut down. Unplug for 30 seconds, plug back in, turn on. 1. Go to Settings, Storage, Save Data, and Game App Settings. 2. Clear temporary data of Minecraft if possible. 3. Reboot your console. 4. Make sure you're logged into Xbox Live Microsoft account. Go to Settings, Profile, and ensure you're logged in. Try logging out and logging back into your Microsoft Xbox account. 5. Check for game and system updates. Make sure Minecraft is fully updated. Check for console or OS updates as well. 6. Disable texture packs and mods. Custom packs or shaders may interfere. Disable all add-ons and launch the game in vanilla mode. Boger Bientempor Tech 7. Reinstall Minecraft if nothing works. Back up your worlds first. Uninstall Minecraft completely. Reinstall from the official source, Microsoft Store, Console Store. 8. Check Minecraft server status. Visit help.minecraft.net, fix/downdetector.com, downdetector.com, /Minecraft/. Sometimes the marketplace is down globally and you'll have to wait.